I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Let me tell you straight up, homie, this story's not rehearsed. Got my share of the roadblocks, but with this I'm feeling cursed. Gonna live up them all, pay for my crime.
Yes, sir. I see you got to open it from the outside. Okay, open it up.
There you go. Yes, sir. Appreciate it, man. How y'all doing?
Hey, you still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.